Welcome to Learn News. Subscribe to my channel for exciting tutorials.
Hey learners, welcome once again to Learn News. Today we are going to discuss about a new thing which is Apache Kafka, and the name I have provided over here is Apache Kafka on the Shore. Well, it's nothing related to Kafka on the Shore, which is a storybook, but it's totally completely on Apache Kafka, and we are going to find out what is Kafka, what are the benefits of Kafka, and different architectures, and how microservice oriented structure is their architecture without Kafka, and with Kafka we are going to show a disparity. What are the use cases, followed by a basic hands-on where we are going to create a topic, and we are going to push one message with the help of producers, and with the help of consumers we are going to consume that. So let us quickly come on to the features of Kafka. It's an open source stream processing software platform which is written in Scala and Java. It combines basically four aspects here. Well, two they are combined as one: publish and subscribe, store, and process. To publish and to subscribe streams of events, including continuous import export of your data from other systems. To store streams of events durably, reliably for as long as you want, and to process streams of events as they occur or retrospectively. Fine, we are going to now what we'll do is discuss about the API architecture. This is the Apache Kafka cluster, and there are four APIs: producers, consumers, connectors, and stream processors. There are four APIs, and what are the three capabilities that we have mentioned? The producer consumer API, they provide the push and pull features. Along with that, for storage and everything, persistence, like the connectors you can use to connect the stream of event, to store the stream of events in a database, followed by the live streaming processing. This is all about the overall API architecture of Kafka. Next comes the cluster architecture. Here we are going to discuss about this one, the cluster architecture, where this is a Kafka cluster, and which comprises of certain, as you can see on the screen, brokers and Zookeeper. Zookeeper is another product of Apache. We are going to discuss about it shortly. And here is the producers, and here is the consumers. So here you can see that the cluster comprises of minimum at least one broker should be there, but one is okay. More than one is always welcoming, and it's better. Each broker is like they are the message brokers. They comprises of topics, and topics are like queues, but here the topics, you can see that the topic comprises of the broker comprises of topics along with partitions. So here, when a single broker comprises of three topics, as you can see over here, along with that, in each topic there are 8 partitions. As long as the produces a record or a data, it hits with the help of the producer API, and along with that the data gets stored onto the partitioned onto the particular partitions of a topic. Okay, so in this way the data will get stored. The data will be processed or stored in the topic. Next will be the Zookeeper, the management of the brokers in the cluster, and they track the Kafka topics, partitions, etc. So Zookeeper manages everything, orchestrates the entire process inside the clusters, and the corresponding topic which is there, which is hold the partition, the partition which is holding the data, that corresponding topic will be listened to with the help of the consumer API by the series of consumer or consumer groups, and that record would be listened. So in this way, just like the JMS bridge or the other products like Apache ActiveMQ and things like that, RabbitMQ, where they are used as a simple message broker, where you push one message and at other end the consumer listens it. So Kafka plays the important role in that way. So let us move on to the next slide, which is advantages of Kafka: high throughput, low latency, fault tolerance, durability, and scalability. Okay, so these are the points, important points, which one should keep in mind, that these are the advantages that Kafka always provide. Next comes on to the use cases like messaging, JMS messages, as I already mentioned. Just like that, messaging is can be done with the help between the producer and the consumer with the help of Kafka. Next comes on to the stream processing, online stream processings like that. It can be done with the help of Kafka. Event sourcing followed by commit log and then log aggregation. Website activity tracking, that if any particular event is happening on a particular website, and that website can be tracked actually with the help of Kafka. Then followed by different matrices. Okay, so these are the different use cases. All the details you will find out in the Apache Kafka's source over the internet. You would be able to find in their tutorial pages. Okay, next comes on to the architecture without Kafka. So different microservices or different entities in a particular design of an architecture, they would be suppose they are communicating in this manner, which is a very complex grid, complex network. But with the help of Kafka, once Kafka is there, you can see that with the help of Kafka, it's quite easier. They would simply communicate with one another with the help of topics, and the topics you don't have to maintain. They are maintained with the help of Zookeeper by Apache Kafka. That is it, and this is all about the theoretical aspect. Now we are going to move on to the practical part. Let us quickly come on to the scripts that we are going to use. Say for example, this is one of the servers where I have already installed Kafka. For Kafka installation, you would be able to find this page over here. How to get started with the Kafka environment. You need to just download the latest Kafka release, extract it, and follow the steps. I followed the steps whatever being mentioned. So what I am going to do is, okay, it's got the network got aborted. I need to restart the session. I have a session over here. So what we are going to do is, we are going to go to this file location, user local followed by Kafka, and here we are going to create a topic. This is the script for topic creation. So topic LNUs is the topic name that I have selected, and that is created. Now you have to do what? You can go with this producer script. Bin Kafka console producer.sh with the help of local list and localhost 9092. This topic, this is it. So Kafka gets run on the port 9092, and the Zookeeper is hosted to the port 2181. So here what you would do is, with the help of this consumer, of the help of this producer API, we are going to write some messages over here. Hi, hello from learnings. Hello. Let us exit. This is all about the producer part. Now we are going to listen with the help of the consumer API to the topic. You would be able to see those messages like hi, hello from learnings. Okay, so in this way we are trying to establish a connection between a producer and a consumer. This way Kafka is acting as a message broker over here in this example. So this is a very crisp tutorial, and in this way we will be concluding our session. Hope you're liking the news. For exciting tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, and please like my videos to provide me motivation to come up with exciting tutorials. Thank you. Thanks again.